Ever thought about starting your own e-commerce business? Dreamed of reaping the benefits of a digital storefront, but found yourself unsure of where to begin? Fear not, because we're here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, choosing your niche is paramount. This means deciding what you want to sell. It could be anything from handmade soaps to vintage clothing. The key is to find something you're passionate about. Remember, a niche you love is a niche you can sell. Next, it's time to conduct market research. This will help you understand your competition, as well as your potential customers. You'll want to look at who's selling similar products and how they're doing it. You'll also want to identify your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. This information will be invaluable when it comes to making decisions about your business. Then comes the fun part, setting up your online store. This involves choosing an e-commerce platform, designing your website, and listing your products. The platform you choose should be user-friendly and offer the features you need, like inventory management and customer reviews. Your website, meanwhile, should be attractive, easy to navigate, and reflective of your brand. Now, you're ready for perhaps the most crucial step, marketing your store. This is how you'll attract customers to your site and convince them to buy your products. There are many different ways to market an e-commerce business, from social media advertising to search engine optimization. It's all about finding what works best for your brand. Finally, don't forget about customer service. This is what will keep your customers coming back for more. You'll need to be responsive, helpful, and professional at all times. After all, a happy customer is a repeat customer. In summary, starting an e-commerce business involves choosing a niche, conducting market research, setting up an online store, marketing your store, and providing excellent customer service. It's a process that requires time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards can be well worth it. So, there you have it, a beginner-friendly guide to starting your own e-commerce business. It may seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it's entirely within your reach. Remember, every successful e-commerce business started somewhere, and with these steps, you're already on your way. So, go forth and conquer the world of e-commerce.